So we have our breakfast skillet ready to go here, ready to go. It's got 5 coats of seasoning on it, and I did that last night. Ran another coat this morning in the oven for the full 45 minutes at 475, and so it's got 5 coats, and that was done with bacon fat. All right, let's see what we can do on this boudin. We're gonna set this boudin on there for our first cook, inaugural cook on this. Let me put that there and let it toast. I had the fire down kind of low. I don't want to use and abuse the skillet before we ever use it. So let's let that go for a little bit here. I believe I'm going to put some individual eggs in there. That sounds like a good, kind of like a good little test. Let's see how this does on the bottom too. That's just going to sit there and roast for a while. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Things are coming together. Let's lay a little piece of sausage down in there. And that little piece of sausage there, we'll let that. We're giving it a test. Ooh, 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 this is starting to soften up. The chill is off of it a little bit. That's good. Whoa, that boudin's warming nice. You can see the ripples in there. Let me try to flip it that way. That's all we do. We don't need to get it crispy, although crispy's better. We just need to get that rice warmed in there. We might split that here in a little bit. All right, let's see if we can maybe flip these eggs safely. Well, it got a little too warm there. Now we'll get it. Flip that baby right over. Same with that one. We're going to flip it right over there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, that boudin's getting nice and warm. You can see it swelling up there. Oh yeah. I'm about ready to eat. I think that's probably over easy. What do you think? Over easy? Let's get that egg out there. I think it's probably over easy. Or over runny. That's what I want. Over runny. That's my way. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks good. It's gonna be perfectly fine there. There's 2 pieces of sausage. And let's get this piece of boudin right there. We're going to mess in this skillet now. Let's see what we can do with it here. Water in it. Well, that looks like a big mess there, doesn't it? Let me use my handy little scraper machine here. Doing pretty good there. Look at that baby. We'll get it out of here and set it over on the stove and see if we can get some pictures of the piece here of the seasoning, what the seasoning looks like now that I've scrubbed it down a little bit. Let's dry this off and get it over to the stove. Well, I think it showed itself. It's gonna be a cooker. Wow. Came out clean. We got some great seasoning on there. No damage whatsoever for that little cook we did with the eggs and sausage and things like that. So we got us a cooker. Great transformation also from the pile of rust.